am woman. I am
Guys, let's teleport. Let's fucking go. Let's go.
There's someone there. Ding, 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 ding.
Yo, no.
Wait, no. I set up a trap.
No. Oh.
Oh no. Yeah, randomly just go say, hey, wanna play Valo, grind, and then
Yes,
sure.
no friend.
No, he has friends. It's just that like he needs a fifth or like a fourth sometimes. It's like,
Damn, you mean you're just his bitch?
no, I'm part of the team, man.
No, what are you trying to say?
Bitch.
Wait. Jacob.
Huh?
Yeah, have you noticed this? But Killjoy's eyebrows are huge. Wait, no.
I don't
know.
know. Wait.
Go into agents, and then you go to Killjoy. Look at her eyebrows.
Oh yeah, that's true.
She's got like 2 squirrel tails stuck to her head.
Yeah, wait, what the fuck?
You know how like sometimes when somebody says something racist, they're like, "Oh, it's not racist. I have black friends."
Yeah.
Yeah. So like,
That's
you think Tuki says it's not sexist? I have women.
Definitely. I say that.
I say that. Dude, I can't be sexist. I have women. Just check my closet.
Wait a second. What?
Nothing.
Hey, you want me to put on my shitty mic?
No. Fuck you guys. Holy shit.
Hey, hold on. I'll pull up.
No.
I'll pull up.
No.
Yo. Headphone warning. Headphone warning. Okay, headphone warning.
Yeah, yes, please.
Hello?
Hi.
Let's go!
Can you do a really loud sheesh? Like put it in your mouth and go sheesh. It cut out. It cut out midway. Fuck, man.
Yeah, cool. Let's play the word association game.
Oh,
You say a word and then I'll say the first thing that comes to mind when you say it.
mug.
Beer.
Dad.
Gone.
Do you know Sinan has a content creator that's also named first? Oh yeah, not as a woman. Fuck.
Tom
That's
Kench
why.
moment.
That's why Glenn's not recording. Hello, YouTube. I'm a bird. The garbage champ. I actually don't know how good he is. I don't know how much they nerfed him from TV.
Oh no, Mark. Where did she go?
Awesome. Wait, she was here? How old's your sister, Robert?
20?
Hey. Was she also a 1?
In my 15.
Oh yeah!
Let's go!
Jacob, I'm gonna dart garage.
Dark my asshole, bro.
It's holy shit. And I thought recording this game would be a good idea.
I think it's point. You better stop recording this. I'm about to get racist.
I'm about to get racist! Yeah, let's go A. Oh, guys, when we're defending, let's all like 5-man rush this. And then like we're gonna get them with their pants down, dude. They never expect the 5 classic rush.
We're gonna get them with their pants on. So just like what my dad did to me.
Just like my dad when I was 5! I've been shot. Just like my dad when I was 5. I died. Just like my dad when I was 5. Run into A, I'm gonna ult, and then I'm gonna go predator mode like Tuki when he sees 5-year-olds.
Shit.
No.
Oh my god. We're fighting Pop Princess 11, dude. The dreaded Pop Princess 11. Destroyer of worlds.
Slime? Oh my god, that's a slime! Hey, that's so cool! I wanna kill it!
Is that a slime? Wow! That's amazing!
Fucking die, bitch.
I'm gonna murder you.
Based on Belarus.
Okay, listen. Since Twiki has expressed interest, we need to make him a whorehouse.
Alright.
Fucking offensive, yeah, okay. I want to use stone bricks. Actually,
Yeah,
wait,
make-
no,
make
this will
the-
look less like a whorehouse and more like a prison if I use stone.
Yeah, that's what I was about to say. Make it look like a prison.
Dude,
it's like underlying commentary on how Twiki gets his women. Where's the others? I wonder where the other people are. I guess it is Sunday.
I'm spending time with their families.
Yeah, imagine. We're building a whorehouse.
Spending time with your family over the whorehouse of Minecraft.
Oh, about rolling the daily phone.
What you know about
What you know about rolling?
What you know about rolling?
Oh, what you got?
I forgot.
Game is by.
I'm not even kidding. I actually just zoned out.
What the fuck?
Kind of puzzled. I'd probably go for maybe your line, April.
I have not seen that one actually.
It's a.
Isn't that a pretty good feel good one?
Well, you'll definitely feel something.
You're gonna cry?
Oh,
Okay,
no.
I'm gonna cry.
Is this a feel good one? I don't know, man. Yeah, there are feels. There are feels.
He's a big bear.
What?
Look for the bear.
Oh my god, why did I not realize?
What?
I was over here going, that's a weird looking scion. I'm not paying attention.
A scion? I mean, are we talking Volibear or are we talking? Oh no, that's Volibear.
Oh! This is Scion's new rework. Uh-oh. Oh my god, bad move. I'm sorry, I doomed you. And I doomed myself. But what if I lived? Oh, never mind. But what if I lived? What if I lived? What if? I smell them. I smell them.
What's up, everybody?
Oh,
Hello.
Cowboy.
Oh my god, I love his voice.
I know, right? Isn't it just wonderful?
Oh boy, I'm fucking in love with your voice. It's so good.
You gotta buy my voice dinner first before we get that far. All right, it's okay. We scale.
Yes, yes, we do. We have Kale.
Oh.
Oh, you mean me?
Mistakes were made.
Mistakes were made. Expectations were set that I did not want.
Man, this Misfortune's still alive. I'm smelling her.
Yeah.
I'm smelling her.
Okay, I'm gonna be honest. That sounds like you are a little bit too interested in the way her hair smells. I'm just saying.
Oh, hello.
But did he ever clarify it was the hair?
I wasn't paying attention.
No, leave it alone to space.
Yes! Oh! Oh my god, I smelled her.
The aggressive sniffing. Oh my
I
god.
know, right?
When thy brain goes numb. No more. No more. No more astronaut in the ocean. Oh, why is it called extrajudicial killing him? They only killed one guy.
I'm not wearing any pants, guys. Still just not wearing any pants.
Dude, Kane's not wearing a shirt, guys. Not wearing a shirt.
Guys, Rengar's not a human.
Guys, I'm gay.
Oh, really?
Hmm.
Oh, look at this. Oops. I'm stupid. No, I'm not.
What's 9? What's 10?
Michael!
What's wrong with you, man?
21. You're stupid.
What's wrong with you, dude?